Let's learn Sipsu. First, by the count. Sipsu Chunbi. Slide your left foot to your right foot and extend your arms out by your hips. Bring your right hand close into a fist and put your left hand on top of it. Shoot your hands upwards, stopping at your mouth. 1. Open up your left hand. Pick up your left foot and step back into a right leg forward front stance. Open up your right hand and bring it by your bum. Slowly begin to exhale loud as you bring up your right hand and chamber your left hand. Stop your right hand up by your eyes. 2. Leave your right hand right where it is. Step forward with your left foot into a side stance. Put your left palm down. Begin to turn forward into our left leg forward front stance as you exhale slowly. Switch places with your left hand and with your right hand. Bringing your left hand up, stop by your eyes, and your right hand down, stop by your belt. 3. Look to the right. Load for a right knife block. Immediately snap to the right in a right fighting stance and do a right knife block. Chamber your left hand. 4. Look to the left. Step forward with your right foot into a right side stance and do a right palm block. 5. Step forward with your left foot into a left side stance and do a left palm block. Keep your eyes forward. 6. Pick up your right foot, step forward into a right side stance and do a right palm block. Keep your eyes forward. 7. Look to the left 90 degrees. Bring your right foot across your left foot into cross leg stance and do a right high X block. 8. Pick up your left foot and step out into a left side stance. Bring your hands slowly down and across your body into a double low block. Exhale loudly. 9. Look to the left. Jump off both feet and tuck your legs. Bring your hands in and across your body. Land in a side stance and do a double inside-outside block and key up. Height! 10. Look to the right. Snap your hips forward into a right leg forward front stance. Keep your hands at 90 degrees and your palms facing forward. Do a left leg outside-inside crescent kick. Pause. Touch your ear with your left hand. Stomp down into a left side stance and do a double inside-outside block with your palms facing towards you. 11. Look to the left. Snap your hips forward into a left leg forward front stance with the palms facing outwards. Do a right leg outside-inside crescent. Hold it. Touch your right ear with your right hand. Stomp down into a right side stance and do a double outside-inside block. 12. Look to the right. Snap your hips forward into a right leg forward front stance. Keep your hands at 90 degrees and your palms facing forward. Do a left leg outside-inside crescent kick. Pause. Touch your ear with your left hand. Stomp down into a left side stance and do a double inside-outside block with your palms facing towards you. 13. Immediately do an X out choke grab and bring your hands down slowly into a double low block. Exhale loudly. 14. Look to the right and do a right inside-outside knife block. Reload and begin to turn forward slowly as you exhale loud and do a left double palm strike, aka fireball. 15. Pick up your back foot and tuck it behind your front foot. Balance on your right leg and do a right reverse chop. Step down into a left side stance and begin to twist forward slowly as you exhale to do a double palm strike with the right hand on top, aka fireball. 16. Pick up your right foot and tuck it behind your left foot. Do a left reverse chop. Step down into a right leg forward side stance and begin to twist forward slowly as you exhale loud and do a double palm strike, aka fireball. 17. Slide your back foot to your right foot and look over your left shoulder. Load for a double block. Step out with your left foot into a fighting stance and do a left low block and a right inside-outside block. Immediately turn 180 degrees and do a right low block and a left inside-outside block in a fighting stance. 18. Step forward with your left foot and load for a left high block. Do a left high block and a left front stance. 19. Load for your right high block. Step forward with your right foot into a front stance and do a right high block. Immediately turn 180 degrees and do a left high block and a left front stance the opposite way. Key up. Height! 20. Load for your right high block. Step forward with your right foot into a right front stance and do a right high block. Baro! Keep your front foot where it is, turn around, and return to starting position. Ready, stance. Hiya! Last time, best time, without count.
2.